standing beside the Foldimate. Now, if you've got a whole pile of laundry that you need to fold, I won't say this little device, this rather large device can do it for you. You simply feed them in. It takes shirts, pants, pillowcases. Can't take your big bed sheets just yet, but fed in the top, internal mechanism folds all your clothes and then delivers them folded at the bottom. Doing the folding. Give me one more.
Another one.
Take another one, right. This is busy work. So now will they come out the bottom now?
Yeah, now we can wait. We can, continue doing it as much as we want until it's full on the bottom.
Oh, so now I just picked them up.
Eject it, and then you could...
Can you eject it so I can pick them up? So there are the clothes I folded. That was hard work. The Foldimate did it all for me. Every household needs one of these. I know I'd love one. Save you having to fold all the laundry. This will do it for you.